Hi folks. Well, I have kind of a hilarious situation. Ha ha ha. Which is that those big pots over there, they're 14-pound pots. The two in the front are not trimmed and signed or anything, and they're getting dry, and I don't have a chuck for them, and I think it's too late to make a chuck because they're dry. So I'm gonna go with plan B here. And I'm gonna lay them on their side, wipe them and sign them. But I just decided it might be fun to have that done publicly, just in case something goes terribly wrong. Might as well catch it on film. Okay, so I decided I would just kind of lay them down here. I thought about making like a nest for them out of clothing, but I don't have too much clothing here, so I thought I'd just lay them down maybe on my foam bat and see how that goes. I should do this as a live and get the peanut gallery to coach me. Let me get some things out of the way. Oh yeah. Okay. So here's the plan. Let me get all my tools together. We've got some water. We got some sponges. We don't need this. Just get the tools we need. Water, sponge, signing stick. All right. Okay. I feel like let's start with this one. It looks easier. Looks like there's less mess. So it is totally leather hard, and I think I think that'll be okay for it. Not too bad. Great. Okay, maybe I'll get you a better angle on this situation. Uh-oh, we're plugged in. That's the best angle you're gonna get. Okay. All right. Not bad. But I'm curious, what would you do? Maybe not forget to do this in the first place, huh? What would you do? I'm attempted to get out my diamond core tools and give it an interesting bottom. It would be nice to have a more interesting bottom, but wipe and sign works pretty well in a pinch. To show you, this is actually working great. Better than I expected. I thought it was gonna be harder. Okay, there we go. That's it. No trimming for you, baby. Upside down sign it, 24, and we're done. Get that stuff off. Okay. Come on, baby. Okay, one down. Gentle with the baby. Next one, a little bit larger. Okay. I made sure that my wheel was turned off before I started this. This one I do want to put something under the neck. I feel like that's a problem waiting to happen, so I'll do that. That relaxes me. Oh, and this one I actually cut with wiggle wire, so it does have an interesting bottom. That's nice. Good job, Amy. Here, let me turn it around so you can see that. Okay, great. So I really would have liked to have trimmed this because when I throw bowls, I usually trim them. So this will have a little bit of extra weight at the bottom that I would have liked to have gotten off down here, but that's okay, not too much. The old wipe and sign. That part. Stinks when you make something and then has a problem with the base, doesn't it? All right. So, and just run a finger around here, make sure everything feels good, since it's easier to do that than look at it everywhere. Look at it with my fingers. Yeah, this one would have been better to have to be trimmed, but that's okay. Oh, it came apart. I thought it was gonna do that, like right here at the seam. Okay, Pac-Man. This one looks like it looked like Pac-Man when it came apart. I'm just gonna leave it, and I think I'll still be able to glaze it together and everything, and maybe bisque fix it together. Not that big of a problem, but I don't know if you saw that, but it was like, let's see here. Oh, I don't want to do it. It kind of sealed back together. So, okay, now I just have to remember every time I handle this to do it from the bottom. Okay, here we go. I didn't sign it, but I think we're just gonna leave it. I'll sign it with iron oxide or whatever. Something else, oxides. That was exciting. Came apart. Coming apart at the seams. All right. I think it'll be totally fine though. Okay, just kind of erase that seam. All right, that was exciting. Unexpected.